Changing the URL in your site pages. As you can see here, our URL is /change-URL. To be able to change this part, you need to go into that page here, go to the edit, and simply change the URL here. And click update. Please note that if you change this URL, if you have any links within any of the other pages or funnels or lives or in any emails you sent out to the old link, then it will not work. If I refresh this page now, you will get an error page because the URL has changed to this URL. So changing the URL inside Zenler is really easy, but you need to be careful that you haven't got links within any of the other pages. Otherwise, the old URL will not work as there's no reference to that page anymore.